Ever wonder why some Ethernet cables say Cat5 and others say Cat6? They look the same, but one's way faster. Cat5e handles up to 1 gigabit per second at 100 megahertz, perfect for everyday internet. Cat6, that beast does 10 gigabits per second with 250 megahertz bandwidth, and tighter twists mean less interference. Just remember, Cat6 keeps top speed up to 55 meters, while Cat5e stays solid up to 100 meters. And if you're wiring your own use, T568B, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. That's the short version. Want to learn about color codes, crossover cables, and which one's best for your setup? Watch the full video. Now I'll break it all down in under 5 minutes.